Here is how to go ahead and upload a video to Google Drive and share a link to it. So this tutorial will provide a quick walkthrough of the process. So first, navigate to your Google Drive by going to google.com/drive. Ensure that you're logged into your Google account, and then here you can upload your video file in a couple of ways. First, click on the New in the top left corner of your screen and then tap on File Upload. Now go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. And once the upload is completed, refresh your drive. Now find the video and tap on the three dots next to it. Tap on Share, then tap on Share again. It's crucial to ensure the sharing settings allow access for those with the link. The default setting is often restricted, requiring viewers to request the access. To grant open access, you can change the setting to anyone with the link. Go to Restricted, then select anyone with the link, and then tap on Copy Link and share it. Anyone with this link will be able to view and download the video. Note that with anyone with the link permissions, users can typically only view and download. And granting the editor permission allows users to delete and add files. After copying the link, you can send it to the intended recipients. When they access the link, they'll be directed to the video, where they can view it and download it using the option in the top right corner. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.